camera, packed with the smartest PIR movement sensor to know your home is safe and sound. Just freely place it indoors or outdoors. The smart PIR sensor will watch movement and the camera will send you alerts. And you will see and hear what's happening, and even talk back. Hi, place the package by the door. Thanks. Even if you are not home, you can remotely monitor your property or get clear live view. Check if your baby is having a sound sleep. Watch what your naughty pet is getting into. Enjoy the family happy moments. And see if there's a burglary while you're away. Installation is super simple. Put it on a shelf or other flat surfaces. Mount it to the wall or place it under the ceiling. No cords and no wiring hassles. No limit to placement options. It's portable and flexible, so that you can place it anywhere, like in the kitchen, the living room, the baby's room, the front door, the back door. You can move it anywhere from room to room. That's the way 100% wire-free should be. Superhero Reolink Argus. Your truly wire-free, full HD, waterproof,
free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free. In the middle of the night or the middle of a story.